and 3 of them are empty, and 3 of them are full. And we need 3 for colors: yellow, or red, and blue. And we need 5 tissue papers and roll it like this. And we need a spoon to spin the water like this, to spin the water. Let's do it. Like this color. Then we need red color. Ooh. Then we need blue color. Now we need to mix the colors. Sorry. Done. Now let's put all the 5 papers into the empty glass and to the full glass. Let's do it. Let's do the other one. Then that. And that. Ta-da! Let's wait for a few hours. After 6 hours, it seems my walking rainbow is working. And do you observe something? I observe something. This is no water. 1, 2, and 3. And no water got water. Oh my god. And it's not red or not yellow. It's orange. And it's not red and it's not blue. It's purple. And I think this is weird in the last, because it don't have any conductions. That's why I got same blue. And I found got in the no water got water, and I found that it got different colors, orange and purple. This experiment is done. Please subscribe, ring the bell. See you next time. Bye.